Are you trying to decide between Clipchamp and Filmora? You're not alone. Today, we'll break down these two popular video editing tools. Both Clipchamp and Filmora help you create and edit videos. They offer features like trimming, adding music, and applying effects, but they do have some key differences. Let's start with Clipchamp. This tool is web based, which means you can use it right in your browser. It's user friendly and great for beginners. Clipchamp offers a variety of templates and stock footage. You can easily create videos for social media or personal projects. Plus, it has a free version, which is a nice bonus. Now, let's talk about Filmora. This software is downloaded to your computer. It has a more extensive set of features compared to Clipchamp. Filmora provides advanced editing tools like keyframing and color correction. It's perfect for users who want more control over their videos. Filmora also offers a library of effects and transition that can make your video stand out. When it comes to differences, the main one is accessibility. Clipchamp is online, while Filmora is a desktop application. Filmora might feel more powerful, but it also has a steeper learning curve. Clipchamp is simpler, making it ideal for quick edits. In terms of pricing, uh, Clipchamp has a free plan with limited features. Filmora usually requires a one-time purchase or subscription, so consider how much you're willing to spend. In the end, if you need something quick and easy, Clipchamp is the way to go. But if you want advanced features and don't mind a bit of a learning curve, Filmora is a better choice. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.